So I'm just at the Home Depot. I'm looking at some lights, getting inspiration of what I want. I think it's gonna look really cool. That's kind of cool. See that one? That one is cool. I think it would be kind of pain in the butt to clean, but I think it'll be cool. But right now, I need to find some Drano because I want to try something with my pipe that's going out. And then I was gonna paint this week, but work has been super exhausting. I'm literally mentally drained to the point where I just come home and I just wanna lay down. It's just really super busy. And if you live in Alberta and if you hear all of the things that's happening with hospitals and stuff. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, I love this. I love wood. Wood is really nice. Even like blacktop would be nice too. But anyways, it's just been busy, crazy, and ooh, okay, guys have to see this. That's pretty. Small but pretty. Yeah, and then my friends called me, and so we're having a get together. And then tomorrow I'm going with my family. And I used to always ditch those things, but I think I made myself a promise that this year is gonna be a little bit different because I want to go out more and socialize. So this is me forcing out. So Daniel, Maha, Monica, Mate, if you see this, I'm trying. Okay, so I got this thing instead. It's called Green Gobbler. Apparently it's much better than Drano, so yeah. There was a guy that just parked next to me, so as you can tell, I'm still semi-nervous, but I'm pushing through. I don't care that he's looking. But yeah, so the guy said that apparently it's super good, so hopefully it works. I'm just gonna put it into that drain pipe, so it's the drain pipe where like the gray water comes from the washing machine, because every time it drains it just splashes back up, and so I'm just wondering if there's like maybe like years of buildup, because I doubt that the previous tenant really took care of that stuff. So that's like one of the things about downsides of I guess buying an older place. So, and now I'm off to my friend's place for some yummy dinners and hang out. See ya later, alligator. Hi guys. Okay, so it is Saturday. Last week I didn't post because one, work was extremely busy slash I was extremely tired, mentally drained. That's a long story, but I still haven't finished any of the painting, so I've been kind of procrastinating. I'm finding that I think I'm just overwhelmed a little bit. I think I'm trying to do too much all at once. So I went from being just like chill, indoor, play video games, to like trying to actually do things with my home. So the painting is still not complete. This is when I tried the line wash. And I'm not really happy with it. But now that I'm looking at it, it also does kind of look really cool. Ugh, I just can't decide whether I like it or hate it. It's crazy. But regardless, I think I'm just gonna go with black paint, no, or dark gray, and then go from there. So this weekend, the goal is the closet. 100% it has to be done, and then possibly I also wanna do this wall, and then hopefully that will give me a little bit of of a piece, and then I can start little bit by little bit, doing little project by little project instead of just doing everything. Because right now all of my shoes and everything, you can see it's like right there, and it's really messy and it's bugging me. And if you're a man, let me tell you, if you have a woman, wifey, girlfriend, whatever, I think I understand why if things don't get done, it's kind of like they get antsy because like I'm living in this mess because the shoes are all in the living room and all that, all the junk is there, and it's just literally been bugging me the whole week. So it's time to get things done. All right, I'll show you the after effect. So for the record, this. So let's get to it. All right, so I put second coat in now. I inquired, as you can see, I'm a very messy painter. It's my first time. And I don't know how I missed the roll, just slipped times two, and then up above there's one as well. Let me show you guys. So I touched the ceiling as well. But this is what it's looking with the second coat. It's still wet, so if you see a little bit of a glare, I think it's because it's still wet. But yeah, so I'm hoping that it turns out great. And then tomorrow, based on what my friends told me, is that I should tape tomorrow the edges of the black. So like the edges of the black. And then this color is gonna be beige. So let's hope it all works out the way I'm envisioning it. It's my first time painting, so I'm kind of excited, but also like nervous because I don't want to make my place look, what is it called? Renters or landlord special paint job. All right, guys. So it's the next day, which is what my friends told me to wait. So now I'm just gonna tape all of this, and then I'm gonna color the beige wall, which is what I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to do a good job. So wish me luck, y'all. All right, I'll show you the results. Hi guys, so I was able to put the vinyl on the wood, or like the board, and I am so excited. I'm about to show you, but I'm just like so excited. My first DIY. It was a little bit chaotic because I have no idea what I'm doing. So that's the first things first. But I'm gonna. There's a bunch of stuff everywhere. So let me show it to you. So that's kind of what the look I'm going for. So as you can see, it's like beige, I mean gray, dark gray, beige, and then like the wood color, and look at that. So all I did was like wrapped it, and yeah, and then so tomorrow the goal is to buy also wooden coat hangers, and then that way the board and the coat hangers will kind of match. And I know what you're thinking, it's like, oh my god, it's just a closet, but it's like, it's my closet and it's pretty. And now if I want to go back into the closet, I can, because it's pretty. All right, so see you later, alligator. And yeah, super exciting. I was kind of procrastinating last week because I was just so tired, but I'm super happy that I did this. It's making it so, I don't know, I feel so good. Like I feel like I achieved, even if it's just a little bit, it's a little achievements that really adds up. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry if it's chaotic. I'm still figuring out the whole YouTube thing. So let me know what you think. If it's like too much all over the place, I'm still finding what I'm going for. I for sure think I'm gonna do Twitch as well because I am a gamer, and so I'm like thinking, like with the Twitch and all that jazz, and then a little bit projects, just kind of like try to balance everything out because with gaming you do have to be careful because otherwise it can just suck you all in. But I want to have a nice balance, so yay, so excited. I'm so happy with my own project. Yay. All right, see you later guys, bye.